When you have a number of processes that need to be run in a specific sequence, Adagio Console allows you to set this up in an automated fashion. For Adagio programs and versions that are compatible with Adagio Console, you have the opportunity of creating automated task commands from the Edit menu and Automation Files. This list of automation files is common across all companies for the particular application that they are visible from, in this case Adagio Receivables. To create a new automation file, click the New button. Each automation file requires a unique file name and a description. Automation files require one or more commands that are performed when the automation file is run. Click the New button to add a command. Each command requires a process that is performed and up to 2 options that may be required depending on the command selected. In the case of the data integrity check, the noun option and the modifier option are not required. If you wish to back up your company data, the noun option allows you to back up the entire company or just the specific application you're running the automation from. There's no modifier required in this case. To import a batch, the noun determines what type of record you wish to import, and the template will determine what gets imported. If you want to print a report set, the noun determines that it's a report set that gets printed, and then you can choose the specific report set from the list. To post a transaction batch, the noun will determine what type of batch gets posted, and the modifier allows you to select, if you wish, a specific type of source from where the batch came from. All of these tasks are common across all Adagio programs that support automation. In addition, there are some tasks that are specific to the application. In the case of Adagio Receivables, you can choose to send statements automated, either by printer or by fax or by email. You can even choose to attach a PDF to your statements. Choose the favorite setting in order to determine how the statements are printed, faxed, or emailed. In addition, you can also choose to create recurring charges, either for a specific billing cycle date or as the date that you sign in, or create an interest batch, either for all customers or billing cycles, or choose a specific one. If you require user interaction to perform something before the next task is run, you can choose to set a pause in order to have the user click the OK button to continue the rest of the automation. Include a message here if you wish to have the user know what they're supposed to do. Or if you just simply like to add a comment to the log after the automation is run, you can have that comment get inserted into the log at this point. If reports or transactions require a particular date, you can set a session date and choose a noun of the particular date that is set. Also, you typically want to have a quit command in order to have the program close after the automation is run. On the screen, you can choose to move around the automation commands so that they are performed in the correct sequence. Set session date should be the first command, and quit should be the last. If you would like to see the list of the program commands as they are run, you can choose to have the log of the automated tasks print or be viewed after it is completed. Or if you use Adagio ePrint, you can have that log get sent to a PDF file or even email the PDF. Typically, you'll choose append for the PDFs so that if you have multiple automation commands, they will all be appended together. These should appear before the quit. Once you've set up all of the procedures, you can click OK to save. There are a number of different ways to run automation files. One is to highlight the desired file from the list and click the Run button. You can also set up a shortcut in order to run in a particular Adagio program and assign the automation file to the target path. You can do the same with a scheduled Windows task in order to run an Adagio program and an automation file at a predetermined time. Whichever way you choose, all of the tasks that were defined in the automation file will be run in sequence, without any user interaction apart from a pause. All of the options will be read from the commands. If any errors occur during the automation, such as a record being in use, or a batch containing an error, or a file existing, it will be shown in the log, and the remainder of the automation commands will halt. When the automation is complete, a log will be written too that can be viewed or printed. Quickly perform a set of common processes from automated commands. For more information about Adagio Accounting, use these on-screen links or from the video description. Thanks for watching.